Take out the machine and all the accessories. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace a broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broke, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Unscrew the lid of the suction hole, and a white rubber ring can be seen. If there's no the ring or it's broke, there will be no suction, so it should be checked and replaced regularly. There is a filter cotton in the suction hole, which should be replaced with a larger one on weekly basis. Choose and install the rubber hoses among the larger Y-shaped holes, the small Y-shaped holes, and the wide holes, based on user's need. Connect the power cord to the machine body. The left knob is used to adjust suction. The right knob is used to choose mode. The left switch on the top of the machine is suction switch and the right one is release switch. When the right switch is at off position and the left switch is at on position, the machine is in the state of constant suction. The way to check whether there's suction: press the suction switch, turn the suction knob to the maximum, and put your finger on the suction hole. If you can feel strong drawing force, the machine can work properly. Face reason 1, it is for massage and relaxing. Face reason 2, it is for lifting and tightening ski. Body reason 1, it is for detoxifying body. Body reason 2, it is for unblocking meridians and the claudromas. Breast lifting, it is for tightening and shaping breasts. Treatment, it is for body relaxing and first-time users. Turning clockwise is to increase suction, and turning anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Adjust the suction level based on individual endurance. It is recommended that suction be set at relatively low level for first-time users, which can avoid pains. Connect one end of the white hose to the suction hole and the other end to the grease cup. Apply massage cream or essential oil, even into the treatment areas. Grace cup function. There are 3 grace cuffs. The large one is suitable for large areas. The medium one is suitable for arm and neck. The small one is suitable for small areas, such as face and neck. Wipe the grease cup clean after treatment. Unscrew the lower part of the grease cup. Take out the used felt koto, and then put the new cotton eye. Vacuum cup function. There are 9 pairs of vacuum cups, 3 pairs of body cup, 3 pairs of face cup, 2 pairs of cup for cleaning, 1 pair of cup for private parts. Choose proper cups based on user's needs and the size of areas to be treated. The large Y-shaped hose is used here. Connect the Y-shaped end of the hose to the 2 cuffs and the other end to the suction hole of the machine body. There will be suction only when the 2 cuffs are in full contact with ski simultaneously during the treatment. When only 1 vacuum cup is needed, a knot should be tied on the one end of the wide-shaped hose to ensure no air can get out. Please note there is a round hole on the face tube, which should be covered with eugenol during the treatment to ensure there is suction. Breast cup function. There are 3 pairs of breast augmentation cup. Choose purple ones based on the size of the user's breasts. The small Y-shaped hose is used here. Connect the Y-shaped end of the hose to the 2 cuffs and the other end to the suction hole of the machine body. The breast augmentation cups can be used in conjunction with essential oil or other skin products. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the handles and vacuum cups for next time use. Remove makeup and clean. Apply black hat. Export liquid and hot steam on large pores or clogged area and toner on cheeks. For sensitive skin, it's not recommended to do so. On clogged pores, tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. The right button is for turning on the Functio selections. Select the vacuum cup of your choice. Stay on forehead for 1 second, then gently twist and lift it up from forehead to nose to chin to cheeks. Double the operation on clogged T-zone, if needed. Apply essence evenly. Select the vacuum cup of your choice. Vacuum massage. Massage the treatment area from chin to forehead in parallel lines for 2 to 3 minutes. Face lymphatic detoxification. Move the probe from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wind to the temple, lower eyelid to the temple, and lift skin on the outer corner of the eye 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Lift towards hairline. Lift from mouth corner to ear gate. Lift from nose wing to the temple, and slide to the underarm. Lift from lower eyelid to the temple, and slide to the underarm 3 times each. Apply facial mask and wait for 15 minutes. Take off the mask and clean. Apply toner essence cream and sunscreen. Apply and rub oil all over the underarm 3 times. Press each joint, heart 1 with the palm side of the wrist, 3 to 5 times. Stroke along the gallbladder channel to the underarm and slide to the fingers 3 times. Push on supraclavicular lymph nodes, and then slide to the fingers 3 times. Push the following channels: long channel, pericardial channel, heart channel 3 times. Stroke along the entire arm and slide to the fingers 3 times. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. Underarm lymphatic detoxification coupled with hand. Push the cup from side of the chest to the gallbladder channel and slide to the underarm 3 times. Start from the elbow, pushing 3 main channels to the arm 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Detoxification through moving cupping. Move the cups towards the underarm, tracing the gallbladder channel 3 times. Select the cup of your choice and glide along the arm in parallel lines. 1 to 2 times, adjust pressure accordingly. Detoxification through fixed cupping. Untie the knot when using both tubes. Select the cup of your choice and fix it. The cups on liver channel and gallbladder channel of the inner and outer side of the arm for around 5 to 10 minutes. The red or purple marks seen after gua sha, also known as scraping, represent old, uncirculating blood and metabolic wastes, which will disappear naturally. Adjust pressure accordingly. Apply and rub oil on abdomen with both hands 3 times. Push dye channel upwards on both sides of the waist 16 times. Press on the following acupoints: Shangguan Ren 13, Shangguan Ren 12, Shanghai Yuan 10, Shenju Yuan 8, Guan Yuan 4, Dongsheng Yuan 3, Tiashu Stomach 25, Diehong Split 15 2 times, Stroke in circles 3 times. Alternate hands in pushing the following channels: Toots went away to kidney channel. Forts went away to stomach channel 6. Swung away to split channel 8. Swung away to liver channel. And then to gallbladder channel, on 2 sides 3 times. Starting from Drumkai Ren 3, push both thumbs to belly navel. Slide them to the waist and then lift upwards to groin 3 times. Stroke in circles and then slide to the groin. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. Growing elliptical detoxification. Select large vacuum. Grease cups to treat size of the waist and slide to the belly navel. Detoxification through moving cupping. Select the vacuum cups of your choice for Optimum or rhythm massage. Select the vacuum cups of your choice to treat size of the waist and slide to the belly navel. Untighten the knot when using both tubes. Detoxification through fixed cupping. Select the vacuum cups of your choice to fix it size of the waist for around 5 to 10 minutes. Adjust the time length accordingly. Remove the cups. Apply oil on the back to waist and push down on Feng Fu to 1/6. Feng Kai gallbladder 23 times. Push onto channel and bladder channel with both hands 3 times. Alternate hands in pushing duct channel and bladder channel 3 times. Starting from the Drake to 14. Alternate palm roots in pushing to channel and lift from sides of the waist. Then slide to the underarm. Starting from that 3 to 14, alternate pump roots eye, pushing the bladder channel and lift from sides of the waist. Then slide to the underarms 3 times. Push thumbs between shoulder blades to armpit 3 times. Starting from that ridge to 14, alternate palms eye, pushing in parallel lines and trace ribs to the waist. And then slide to the underarms 3 times. Stroke from hairline behind ears to debunging and slide to the arm and fingers 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Back to lactic detoxification. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. Move the grace cup from that rate to 14, all the way down to coat over barrow 3 times. Push from the bladder channel to caudal butterbrace 3 times. Push from the shoulder blade to the underarm 3 times. Move in parallel lines, tracing the ribs to the waist 3 times. Move from the neck to the abdomen 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Detoxification through moving cupping. Glide the cups on bladder channel and do channel, back and forth to expel toxins and waste. Adjust pressure accordingly. Select the cups of your choice and glide on the bungee back and forth 3 to 5 times. Detoxification through fixed cupping. Untie the knot when using both tubes. Fixate the cuffs on the tray to 14 Jianjing gallbladder 21 and the 8 cavity area for around 5 to 10 minutes. Adjust pressure accordingly. Remove the cups and clean with towel. Apply and rub oil on the entire leg 3 to 5 times. Press Trom and splint 12 3 to 5 times. Push on the following channels: splint channel, stomach channel, liver channel, gallbladder channel 3 times. Stroke along the entire leg 3 times. Stroke along the growing 3 to 5 times. Stroke growing with both thumbs alternately 3 to 5 times. Rub back and forth as if twisting a fried dough 3 times. Rub kneading fingers on the end of thigh till it turns hot. Growing in lymphatic detoxification. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. Use metal fingertip cups to push the 4 channels and slide to the growing 3 times. Circle around the growing back and forth 3 times. Coupled with hand, push the growing 3 times. Coupled with hand, start from the middle of the thigh, pushing in parallel lines to the growing 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Detoxification through moving cupping. Move the cups in parallel lines on the upper leg 1 to 2 times. Adjust the pressure accordingly. Detoxification through fixed cupping. Untie the knot when using both tubes. Fixate the cubs on Jusan Li, stomach 36 and San Inio spleen 6 for around 10 minutes. Remove the cups